Hello mobile fans, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Thanks. Infinix vision has always been to create a smartphone so immersive that the device speaks for itself, and this is actually evident in the Hot S3X smartphone with the notch display. The front side of the Infinix Hot S3X smartphone is quite similar to the Apple iPhone X, except for the giant bezels below the display of the Hot S3X, which makes it look less classy when compared to the iPhone X. The box of the Hot S3X resembles the Hot S3, except this time Infinix is proud to put the Hot S3X picture on the box, just like Samsung is proud to display the S Pen on the Galaxy Note 9 box. Unboxing the Hot S3X, it comes with all the accessories that the Hot S3 comes with, which is the charger, USB cable, SIM ejector pin, earphone, silicone case, screen protector, and the phone itself. The back of the box displays the key specifications, which is the 6.2 inches HD Plus full view display, 16 megapixel AI selfie 4-in-1 camera, dual rear cameras, face and fingerprint unlock, 4000 mAh battery, and finally the precious Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor. Although the back of the Hot S3X is plastic, I am quite impressed with the shiny elegance of the body, which looks cool. The top has the headphone jack, the right side has the power button and volume buttons, the left side has a true dual SIM card with SD card slot, while the bottom side has the microphone, USB Type-C port, and the speaker. The back contains two cameras, 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and a dual LED flash with a square-shaped fingerprint scanner, and of course the Infinix logos. The cool looking notch contains a 16 megapixel selfie camera, speaker, and a single LED selfie flash, which is a step down from the Hot S3 that has a double LED selfie flash. And lastly, proximity sensor. There are two variants, which is the 3GB RAM with 32GB internal memory and the 4GB RAM which is 4GB internal memory. There should have been a 2GB RAM model for those who love the notch display but with lower budgets and can't afford the 3GB RAM or 4GB RAM model. It is quite impressive what Infinix did with the display of the Hot S3X. This is what I mean. The Hot S3 has a display size of 5.7 inches with an 18:9 aspect ratio, but instead of Infinix cutting into the display to include the notch, they just increased the display in the Hot S3X to 6.2 inches to give extra room for the notch with an aspect ratio of 19:9 and a resolution of 1500 by 720p, and this is why the slogan of the Hot S3X is a notch higher and not a notch lower. The Hot S3X has quite some similarities with the Hot S3, which is the Android 8.1 Oreo, 4000 mAh battery, plastic body, Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor. Both have a 3GB RAM and 4GB RAM version, Face ID, fingerprint scanner, true dual SIM plus SD card tray, dual 4G LTE, HD Plus display. Here are the differences between the Hot S3X and Hot S3, but the major difference is obviously the notch, dual rear cameras, shiny back body, color, and price. Looking briefly at the cameras, this is an improvement from the Hot S3 smartphone, as you can now take better portrait photos with both the front and back camera. I believe there will be no much difference between the camera quality of the Hot S3X and Hot S3. The Hot S3X also has lots of vital sensors to give you the best mobile experience. It also has the latest and better XOS optimization on top of Android 8.1 Oreo, which is the Hummingbird 3.3. But the light version, I guess the full version will be reserved for the 06. Here are the prices of the Hot S3X compared with the Hot S3. The prices are quite close, but I guess Infinix went a notch higher with the prices of the Hot S3X. So I guess it's worth it to upgrade from the Hot S3 to the Hot S3X if you want the notch display, if you want improved camera features, the latest SOS Hummingbird 3.3 system, shiny back body, and also don't mind the higher price. The only edge the Hot S3 has is its 20 megapixel selfie camera with dual LED selfie flash and lower price. Here are the latest smartphone released from all the series of Infinix brand. We have the 05, the Note 5, the Smart 2 Pro, and now the Hot S3X. So that's it guys. Do you like the notch display? Do you think the Hot S3X is worth the upgrade? but I think it's an overall good smartphone. Talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Infinix is more than brand, it's a family.
Infinix, the future is now.